Alright, for your algebra project, you should have an image like this. You want to draw something where you have all the points and you can label all the endpoints. Now for graphing a line, so I'm going to find the equation of line A. I've already found the slope. You guys should know how to do that. Now I'm going to plug in a point. So I'm going to use x2 and y2 for this one. So it'll be 5 equals, my m is 3/5. We found that. 3/5 equals, and then x is 3. Let me outline the points I'm using. I'm using this point, okay? And then plus b. Plus b. I'm going to run out of room, though. And then you just solve for b. So for me, in this equation, it's not going to work out nicely, actually. I'm going to get 5 equals 9/5 plus b. And then I subtract 9/5 from both sides. So that will be 16/5. 16/5, if this could write. So b equals b. So my equation is, so I would write it like this. Y equals 3/5 x plus 16/5, and then it goes from the x -2 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 3, the 2x points that it goes through, and then the y points are 2 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 5. So let me erase that stuff that's in the way. So I could circle all of this for you. So that's how I'd write this. This is how the equation would look. All that. So y equals 3/5 x plus 16/5, which is kind of annoying, but this one didn't work out that nicely. And then you just say the x points go from -2 to 3, and the y points go from 2 to 5 for that equation. And that's what you're going to do for all of them. So if you look at this one, I'm doing the same thing. I find the m, and then I go find b. And those points would go from x is in between, for point B, x is between 3 and 5, and y is between 3 and 5 again. So you just look at the smallest y value and the biggest y value for your line. And if you plot the endpoints, it's easy. So that's B. Find the equation of line C. Line C is a vertical line, so it's x equals 5, and it just goes, my two y points are, my lowest is -2, and my highest is 3. So that's why I say y is between those two. Line D, horizontal. So y equals -2, because it's -2 for both of these points. And then, what is the x's? The smallest x is here. I highlighted that. And the largest is 5. So that's where these come from. And I underlined the -2. So that's where that comes from. So I hope that helps with horizontal, vertical, and diagonal lines. That's how you're going to solve them. Okay?